This is my submission for homework 8. In this video, I'll show a clip of myself demonstrating translating a 3D point cloud into a mesh file in MeshLab, and at the end of the video I'll also show myself translating the mesh file into a solid file in SolidWorks. Once I have a solid file, then I can 3D print it. To start out, I tried using the individual 3D point clouds from every scan I took in homework 7, and then making an individual mesh out of each one of those and piecing the meshes together, but it turned out to be very time consuming, and also the meshes didn't fit together as well as when I pieced together all the 3D point clouds while still being able to see through them. So I ended up using the 3D point cloud that I created at the end of homework 7. After I imported the 3D point cloud from the end of homework 7 into MeshLab, I computed the normals for it, and then used the Poisson surface reconstruction to create a mesh out of that. The mesh came out pretty lumpy, so I tried using a couple different filters to reduce the lumpiness, but they only had a minor effect on it, so I decided that the statue was pretty recognizable as it is. After completing the mesh in MeshLab, I imported it into SolidWorks and messed with it a bit there. I put a base on it, made it circular, and put my name and statue in the bottom of it so that it can be 3D printed out. The part of my solid model that came from the laser scan doesn't actually have any volume to it because it's just a mesh, while the base that I created in SolidWorks does have volume to it. This difference in volumes and having a three-dimensional figure with no volume gave me trouble when trying to save the file as an STL file, so I'm currently working that out with TerrapinWorks to see if there's a way to give it volume. That's all I have to say for this video. Enjoy watching the rest.